Hi everyone, it's Kathleen here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I have some bubble wrap here, and I have it the smooth side down, so the lumpy bits are up, and I have an LP record, and I have some paint. Now I've got red, yellow, white, cobalt blue, turquoise and black. In the white, turquoise and orange I have a couple of drops of OGX. So I'm going to do a reverse dip onto the top here of this bubble wrap and just hopefully it will come up quite nice, and I'm hoping that might get just a bit of a different pattern with the little bubbles, some of which are popped and some which are not. Okay, so there's some black. Now I'll put some red on. Those noises are my grandson. He's playing on the computer with his friends. They make some weird noises. I think it's kind of funny. Some turquoise. Very pretty, I like turquoise. Right. And some orange. There's some, just a bit different pattern here. Winston, stop it please, you're being wicked. There are no yellow, better put some yellow on. And it's starting to fill up and look good. And some white, of course, one needs white. Oh, and I didn't put any blue on yet. I'm just going to do this with the white. Oops, all right. Now the blue. Try to put it in between where it goes. Where I've missed bits, that might do. Did I put black? Yes, I put that on first. All right, everybody's on. So here we go. I put a bit of tape on the back of, over the whole of the record, just to see how it goes. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below. Show more underneath this video. Okay, here's hoping. Fingers crossed. Let's have something nice, please. Oops, shouldn't have dragged it. No, I spoiled it. I've spoiled it. Goodness. Alright, let's just go back with some more of these colours and I'll go over it again. And we'll see. Oh, that would have been pretty too. But we'll soon see what we get this time. Some red. Alright, we'll just leave it at that. See how we go. This time I'm not going to smudge it. Straight up please, let go, that's it. Yes, you see, very nice. I'm happy with that. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that there for a second and get a knife. I'm going to just, for instance, move this colours over. And one some red. Might go circular this time. Stretch it out. Orange. There's not much white. Oh, yellow. The yellow I meant. I guess you knew that though. Now some blue. I won't put any more black on there because it's fairly dark. And around we go. And the white. Whoops. Where did I put that other one? There it is. And plonk. The colours that squirt out are really quite pretty. Ooh. But I missed that centrepiece. So now what? Have I got any more white? Yes. Just to go around here. And some more turquoise, eh? There's the last of it. Coming out turquoise. Alright. Going to put it back on. And I'm pretty sure that's where it went a bit AWOL. Ooh. I'm glad I did that. So different. Alright, now let me just do this. And I can put that down. I'll just get rid of this because it's got all that yucky paint. Right. I'm going to wipe my hands off. Underneath Show More as well, you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And you're more than welcome to come and join us there. Where's my... Oh, wait a second, I've just got to get the rack. Right, one rack. Just to put these on. I can't really torch them all, they're laying flat like that onto the plastic. You come out. You're going to have to move over. Let's torch it, these. Okay. Well, they're very pretty. Alright, so now I'm just going to torch them. And see if there's any magic to happen. Oops. Themselves up. What pretty patterns they are. got quite a number of cells, and yeah, they're very flashy. I'm going to bring you down to show you. I just put a cloth on the floor. I've got some water dripping on the floor. I don't want to step on it. Alright, here we go. There's the cloth soaking. So this is the first one that I did. Focus camera, thank you. And you can see how pretty that is. It's really nice. And I like the blue. The blue and the red on this look really good. Lovely, like, I don't know, spring type of colours. Very nice. And then this is the second one, which is equally as nice, but totally different. And I like the way the white has gone through this one. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up into YouTube, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.